When you need a new or a replacement retaining wall in Canton, Georgia, especially one that supports a driveway, you'll want the experts at Retaining Walls and Concrete. For over 30 years, residential and commercial property owners alike have come to rely on our peerless reputation. They know our retaining walls will last for decades, and our concrete work will give your neighbors driveway envy. The fact is, our building standards are among the highest in the retaining wall and concrete construction industry. Our crews are extremely proficient, well experienced, and accurately equipped to handle any size job. So whether you are building a new structure or simply replacing an existing one, you can always rely on retaining walls and concrete for the best results at a competitive price. Please visit retainingwallsandconcrete.com to see our portfolio of projects, and then call us for your free estimate at 770-728-8422.